So you are waiting to reach 4,000 YouTube watch time hours to be able to monetize your content? In this video, I will share with you a few guidelines that really help you to get to your goal quickly. But before starting the video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more great content. So let's get started. Number 1. Create longer videos. Although most of the viewers tend to watch videos that are no more than a few minutes long, if you can present compelling content, your most valuable YouTube asset will be your longer videos. It is because longer videos provide you plenty of watch time from even a single user when they watch it till the end. Number 2. Optimize your videos. At the beginning of your YouTube journey, the conditions are unfavorable for you. It is because YouTube doesn't know about who you are, what your videos present is, and who would be your potential viewers. So YouTube is not going to recommend your videos to anyone. The good news, however, is that you can tell YouTube about yourself, your content, and the people who might be interested in your content. All of that is done with the SEO optimization of your content. Number 3. Add video cards to your videos. Video cards are a good way to make your viewers watch more and more of your content related to the video they are currently watching. They are little icons that show up in the top right corner of the videos. You can recommend a maximum of 5 videos per one video. It's a simple and easy trick to win more watch time. Number 4. Create end screens for your videos. You have an opportunity to recommend videos at the end of a video when a viewer watches it till the end. You can add up to 4 videos or playlists that are shown on the screen in the last 20 seconds of the running video. Number 5. Add video links to comments and description. One of the best ways to promote your videos is to add links to the related videos in the description section of every video. Simply copy the links into your relevant videos and paste them into the description. You may guide the viewers in the video to see the description. These links can also be added in the comments, which can be tied to the top by pinning them. Number 6. Add playlists to your channel. Your channel needs to have at least one playlist. Just make it and put all your videos in it. Later, you might make further playlists categorizing your content. The idea behind playlists is that it leads your visitors to bulk watch your videos. If you have a lot of videos on a variety of topics, the need for playlists increases further to enable visitors to have a smoother experience. They will easily find their desired content from playlists. Number 7. Share playlists instead of videos. Another way you can take benefit from playlists is that you share playlists instead of videos. Just open the playlist that contains the video you want to share, then select that video. You will see that the URL changes into a long address. Now you should put it into a new browser tab. It will play the video and then continue with other videos from that playlist. Use this link whenever you want to share that video. Not all people will watch your entire playlist, but some will do. Number 8. Provide your videos on social media. You must drive as many visitors to your channel as possible. Don't just rely on YouTube. Even YouTube will reward you for this effort. The point is that when you drive visitors towards your YouTube channels, YouTube will get some new people who watch its ads and generate revenue for it. YouTube will then reward you with organic impressions. Furthermore, the people with whom you share your content on social media will further share and retweet your post to other people, bringing more visitors and watch hours to you. Number 9. Be live on YouTube. As we told you earlier, longer videos are better for producing watch hours. With longer videos, you can reach 4,000 hours with quite a few visitors. The problem for most of us is that we don't have the talent to produce longer videos every week or so. A great solution would be to simply go live on YouTube. Most of us would find it quite easier to generate long videos using this strategy. It would be great to make a live recording after regular intervals, for example, every Tuesday evening. This will enable your audience to develop a habit of watching your live stream. Number 10. Start video premieres. A cool method to get a greater number of views on your videos is to publish them as video premieres. You will just need to select a date and a time, and YouTube will automatically live stream your new video at a specified time. After that, it will turn into a regular video, and people can watch it at any time they want. Because of the novelty factor involved in premieres, you would gather a much greater audience for your new video as compared to sharing it like a regular video. Number 11. Create an online course and host videos on YouTube. The best way to do it would be to create a hidden page on your website and put all course videos on it as YouTube embedded videos. People love structured content and are more willing to view heavy amounts of content if that is structured and presented in a meaningful way. This will boost your watch time. Number 12, create a video ad campaign on Google Ads. All of the above methods do need hard work and patience. If you find it difficult to devote your time, then go for Google Ads. Just find a video on your channel that has a reasonable length, then create a Google Ads account and set up a new campaign. You select brand awareness and reach as the campaign goal, and on the following page select Video Campaign. Give your campaign a name, and then select a CPC bidding strategy. You would probably need to find a strategy that doesn't burn your budget too fast. Then set your budget and time range. In the network section, choose YouTube videos. Then you can either select your target audience or just go for everyone. Then create your ad using the selected video. It will be ready to go after being reviewed by Google Ads. After that, keep a track of this campaign.